We're up here around the big meadow area. Actually, it's Meiss Meadows where we're at. You can see, if you look. There we go. A barn and a little house on the prairie type of setup. All they had is candles back in that day. Can you imagine how dark it is at night? All the stars. Well, I hiked here at night. Hold on, guys. We'll go in a second. But the reason why for my film is I want to show you guys something. See how vast and remote this is? Look down. Look at what I found. This is about a 14.5-inch print. And you can clearly see toes. And I'll show you what I mean, because I don't want to ruin them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly 5. But there are, if you look at this print, there's about 4 to 5 toes. A lot of Bigfoot tracks are found with 4 toes only. So this, I see 4 automatically. The 5th one looks a little like it's self-collapsed, but this is a 14-inch track. Okay, this is nice. This is like a 7-footer right here. Whoa. And you can see from where the toes touch, it comes out about 14 inches to the heel. I don't want to damage the track. We just want to leave it as is. I'm sure it's watching and they're probably thinking, you know, hey, these people are looking at tracks. That's why I've been hearing like grunts and like something's angry in the woods at us for bending down looking. Do you see the toes though?
Yeah.
There's 4 of them. Mm-hmm. Come on, dude. It's 14 inches from toes to heel.
Yeah.
Which means it's got to be 7 feet tall, whatever made that.
Yeah.
And there's toe impressions. I mean, I don't know, man. You guys can debunk it and decide for yourselves. Is it Bigfoot or is it a human? Decide whatever you want to decide. But it's obviously very natural. I mean, you can see it's worn out. And the toes are you could see between each toe, a little snow is pushed up. Something heavy stepped down right there. And that's a nice find. And this is what a Bigfoot expedition's about. Look at this. Look how vast. We went into the wilderness. We were surrounded by Bigfoot-like creatures pounding on trees and weird vocalizations and making primate-like sounds, and then all the way to the Meiss Meadows area. We found a track. We found a track on Red Peak. Awesome. This is awesome. High five, everybody. High five. Peace. Now it was a good high five. Track. Down the middle track. Yeah. That was a good track. Out of nowhere. He gave me 5. Your turn to slide. Dogs. Here's a trap. I warmed you. Dude, I gave you 5 hours. You owe 5. High five for the foot warm. Fist. Palm to palm. Alright, that's better than nothing, right? I want to go in the house in the prairie and start a fire and stay there for a couple days. Bet you that would be cozy. Anyways, I'm out of here. I got to save some battery and video for our hike over the mountain at Red Peak, which is up here. We'll be all the way up there soon. Climbing out of the meadow. Floor Rick, owner, founder, producer, talk show host, cryptozoologist, ghost hunter, all these things. Because you have to be that way. UFologist. You know, it's all these things. Don't call yourself a paranormal investigator unless you are able to cover the unexplained and every topic such as Bigfoot, UFOs, mysteries, all of it. You know, and blend science and the paranormal and try to debunk these things. We can't say for sure that that was a Bigfoot print. But 14 inches and toes, that's a good start. It's vast. There's nobody up here right now. There's no human beings. It's harsh to die out here. And you know what? The only thing stopping us, the only wall between Bigfoot and us is these trees where it hides and it watches, and it'll probably cover up its tracks. It may even chase us out because this could be mating or migration season, and it may not want us here looking at tracks, measuring stuff. But good expedition, good panoramic shots, good photos we can sell for far beyond photography. We've risked our lives today to bring you this expedition. It's real. We're 5 miles in from the highway, 5 miles through the mountains, snowy mountains, avalanche zones. We have to go around everything for safety, so there's no danger. There's not many cliffs, but there is some. When you climb Red Peak down, there's hazards. You know, you have to be careful. Icy slopes, and they're steep, and there's rocks. If you hit your head, knock yourself out. Every day, I go out, I do my best to plan places and bring you scenery and go off beat where humans don't go. And that's why we find the evidence we do. And that's how success is made. Off-roading, almost tipped over, yes. But we got to do a haunted mine. It had activity. It was worthwhile. And we're insured. It's good. It's all good. And this trip back here, it's flat. But anyways, there's a storm coming in. I gotta go. I gotta get out of here. I want to say peace to all my fans. This is Lord Rick.